Is this the latest one?
Okay, thank you.
Wow. The camera seems pretty unique.
Whoa! It's absolutely stunning. Who designed this beauty?
Look at this.
To be honest, I expected something really groundbreaking from OnePlus with their next device, but this is incredible.
Nice. Oh, this is...
You know, at the end of the day, it's your phone. You use it with your hands. It's very tactile. It feels very beautiful. You know, that is a very sensitive aspect of design that not many brands can achieve. It's a rarity.
This is something that appeals to the youth of today that have a very, very specific taste.
लॉन्च 22 जून को है ना? सुपर